welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in into another video. Before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below, and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, it is all about this beautiful unit from Eayon hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the specs of this unit. Like I mentioned, this unit is from Eayon hair. Now I have here their Ombre 1B/30 pre-plucked Afro Kinky curly wig, and this is a 13x6 lace front wig. Now this unit did come slightly plucked, but because I love plucking a lot more, and I have to say it looks very, very pretty. And I had to go ahead and bleach the knots, my girl, because the knots were not bleached at all. So I did take my time to customize this unit to my own liking. And as y'all seen in the video, I went ahead and did the twist out method. I've never done that with any of my units at all, especially my curly units. And I think this might be the first or second time if I'm not mistaken, or even the third time that I've rocked Kinky Curly. So I wanted to give it something different and see if the twist out method will look very cute and just overall natural on Kinky Curly. And I have to say, the curls do look fabulous. Such a pretty unit, but I do have to point out this unit is a tad bit dry. So if you get your hands on this unit, what I would advise you to do is grab one of your favorite oils and just apply it in this unit, especially as you take them out of the twist. Apply the oil and it should give it a nice moisture and shine to it. But right now I didn't grab any oil because I can't find my oil that I usually use on my units that are dry. Another method that I would do, in case you don't like the twist out method and you just don't feel like taking too long to do that, you can go ahead and just grab your spray bottle with water and conditioner, drop some oil in there, spray it, comb it, brush it out, let it sit overnight, and hopefully that should help it with giving it more moisture. That was such a tongue twister. I felt like I was just gonna twist and turn in there. But yeah, y'all, let me come close so you guys can see the unit. It is such a gorgeous wig. Kinky curls are definitely out. It gives it more of a naturalistic vibe, and I'm here for it. You guys know I love me a natural unit, you know what I'm saying? All the details to this beautiful unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. As usual, I love y'all so much. Now Penasana, and thank you for tuning in yet to another video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.